Good morning, my ride and dies. It's your girl Susie, the CEO of Mood Swings and the mother of all van queens. I'm your meteorologist for today, and the weather forecast is gray and rainy and sunny and everything at once. You must be wondering, why is she coming up with this crazy introduction? I hope you know this is going to be my introduction from now on, because I was just so fed up with, hey guys, my poor bestie has an ear infection from surfing, so he's been feeling very bad. He's just trying to protect himself. Just give us a wink. A little wink. Yeah, we cannot expect much energy from him, which is fine because I'm gonna give you a double amount of energy back. I want to head over to the hardware store because I want to change one piece in the van again, just because I got a bit bored with the look and I want to just kind of go back to witty. We're also gonna go to the pharmacy and get him some medicine for the ear. In about 2 weeks we're gonna leave this spot and I will make my way to Belgium so I can ship the van finally to Mexico. I cannot wait for Mexico just to be in a complete new continent. Like, this is just crazy. I would say hush hush, let's go, and we're gonna get some wood. Yeah, Jalapeno will stay here with Toby and we're gonna come back in just a little bit. We are ready to rumble, guys. Can I show you my pink lucky dice in here? Before I drive, this is what I do. Okay. The music of my choice is definitely Susi Cruz Van Life Princess playlist. Before we go, I want to just show you. Let me get out and show you. Actually, to be honest, you have to see the struggle that I'm going through every single time I'm driving here. This is what I'm dealing with. Let me just show you that road that we are driving every single time is like a hole and a bump and a bump and a bump. So I'm like shaking inside of the van. So we are going. Oh, I forgot. I did install a LED light, but it was a little bit too bright for me, so maybe I'm looking for another bit more yellowish. A new pair of LEDs, but I'm going to the wood station now. Say, see. Hey, God. I wish I had a machine like this. It would just always be so easy to cut everything. So I just bought the wood plate and now I gotta go to the pharmacy. I am in the mall. And obviously, as you see, everything is still closed because of COVID. I just went to the pharmacy and I couldn't get the eardrops for Toby because he needs a receipt, like a proper receipt from the doctor. And that's why he's going to the doctor now. But yeah, this is the mall I always go. It's so close here by where we're parking, and I gotta go to the toilet so badly. My bladder is about to explode. But the toilets here are closed.
Know about me? Do you really see me? Do you really see me now? If only you could hear me out. We could be something like a harmony. Stack it up and let it breathe. Talking about stability. Darling, it's a guarantee. What you really know about me?
Okay. Can you come in here? Buddy, here. Come. This is them when they were fighting. Like little brothers. Excuse me, sirs. Excuse me. Be careful with the paint, please. Be careful with the paint. Buddy, I'm seeing that. We're not supporting this kind of stuff in here on this channel. What? everything. Why am I doing this actually now? It's way too late. Okay, this one. I really didn't shave my legs. I wanted to shave my legs today. I didn't get the chance yet. Okay. Jalapeno, you're a little bit in the way. Why am I doing this right now? Can you wait? I'm gonna you. You don't fit in the luggage. What are you doing? You wanna sit in here? You're really like a little cat dog, aren't you? Like a real cat dog. Oh, slow down. Ooh, not sure about that smell, Penny. Wait. Danke für das leckere Essen. Yeah, okay. Ew, so much dirt. So much dog hair, Penny. I don't know why I'm doing this right now. I'm gonna be sitting here till late.
It's a guarantee.
Guys, it got dark. Obviously, because I'm stupid and I start doing things like that so late. So I just got my little headlight. I can still work. Hello everybody, I'm Susie. I'm a real Scorpio girl because somehow my energy just seems to boost up at night. So I tend to do stuff like this when it's completely dark, so I see absolutely nothing. Just to make my life a little bit more difficult and because I need that extra drama. It's getting late. I just have to connect all the cables for the battery. And look at the mess. The cable mess. Look at all the cables. This is literally a representation of my life. Really honest, I'm not lying. Get mine in my ride dolls. Let me just show you my new little bed frame. We just got back to basic because this is how it used to look. Except of the fact that I have another switch here. And I can turn it on and the light goes on underneath. It looks so pretty in the dark. I have another new USB plug and it just kind of looks cleaner. But I also have to paint the counter a little bit, as you see. So I really need to fix those parts as well. And with all the water humidity, this also kind of like cracked a little bit. I bought this wooden plate and I'm just getting all the things already a little bit prepared before I go to Mexico. We are currently in a situation where Panyo is officially on the leash. He cannot just run around like crazy as he used to do it because he just keeps barking at night so much and he just, I don't know what's going on with him. Normally he's not acting like that, but I think it's because we've been staying on this parking spot for so long. He literally thinks it's his house. So every time somebody comes, he's just trying to be protective and all that. So now officially Penny's on the leash and we need to hashtag free Penny instead of free Britney. That's for sure, right? Jalapeno. I'm talking about you. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go now and cook some stuff up and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.